G'day viewers. Now we're often asked here at Solar Dr. Savers whether it's important to clean your solar system. Does cleaning my solar system make a difference? And should I clean my solar system? And does it make a difference on the life of my panels and the performance? Well, if we have a look here at this particular array, now one thing you sort of bring your attention to is this part of the panel here, that bottom part of the panel. Now that often gets quite a build-up of dirt, mould, that type of thing that tends to shade that little bit of the panel. Now what that actually does, a couple of things, it does affect the production, and I suppose a dirty panel, say like example of those, this level of dirt on them, that's going to affect your panels probably about 5 to 10%. Any worse than that, it's going to have quite an effect. Now, the other thing that you really need to be aware of is with your warranty. Now, a lot of solar manufacturers won't stand by their warranty if they've found that you're not maintaining your panels and getting them cleaned. The main reason being that bit that I was pointing out to you before, just along the front here, now that gets built up with quite a film of dust, and that actually affects the life and the efficiency of your panels. Now, often in the past we've done thermals on panels, and we found that section of panels here tends to fail on account of they're essentially shaded by a lot of the dirt. So yes, is it important to clean my solar system? Yes, it is. Why? Well, it affects the efficiency of your system. It affects the amount of energy that you produce over the day and the year, and ultimately, not cleaning them could shorten the life of your solar panels quite significantly. And the other reason we touched on was the manufacturers might not honour their warranty if you're not maintaining your solar assets properly. So there we go, viewers. That's a sort of a rough rundown on having your solar panels cleaned. Should I clean them? Yes, you should. Does it make a difference? Yes, it does. That's about it. Over and out. Solar Dr. Savers. Thank you for tuning in.